Ndị ọma njem ọnụ. I know a lot of you will say, don't speak that language for us here, but I'm sorry. Good day, my lovely people. How are you all doing? And welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across my video, please do wait to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a video. So I want to say something. The reason I'm laughing is because this thing is not like it's funny in a way, but if you look at it the way me I'm looking at it, you will know that it's very, very serious matter. All right. So the first thing is, you see, in this country, Nigeria, please try as much as you can not to fall sick. Honestly, try as much as you can not to fall sick in this country. Please, I'm begging you. Another thing is, try as much as possible not to get pregnant, like out of wedlock. Try your best, please. Try your best, please. You will cry more than the baby. I'm telling you honestly. Try and avoid anything that would take you to police. Try and avoid anything that will take you to police. You see police case, try anything, like try your best to avoid anything that will take you to police case. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. You see, the reason I'm saying this, you might think it's funny, but it's actually not funny. If you fall sick now, first of all, money to treat yourself is hard. So try your best to drink water and mind your business. Avoid anything that will make you fight with anybody, because nobody is alive again. I'm telling you. You might be thinking that, oh, somebody will be doing, oh, do you know who I am? One touch, that person will fall. And you don't keep person. Nobody won't hear you. No matter how you want to explain it. Once you are the person that pushed the person and made the person to lose breath, you're on your own. You will answer, you free beans will be waiting for you for what you cannot even explain. Try as much as possible not to borrow anybody money, no matter how little, unless you want to dash that person. Me, it's not anything, but I don't borrow person money. If you ask me for money, if it's something I know I can risk for you, I will give you. But if it's something I cannot risk, me sef where I see money to borrow, but I will not give. If you know you cannot like overlook that money, if the money is not something you can endure, if that person eventually did not pay back, please and please avoid giving. Just tell the person you don't have, and nobody is in your account to know whether you have or not. And another thing, you see that number one and number two, take it very, very seriously, and I mean it. Try your best. As festive period is about to come, is almost here. I will not say it's about to, because Christmas is in how many days? Abi weeks. I don't know when I'll be uploading this video though, but on the day I'm doing this video is on the 8th of December 2025. That's when I'm doing this video. I don't know when I will upload it, but I will definitely upload it before 25th. So try your best that from the day you see this video till 25th of December, please and please try and avoid anything that would lead you to these things I mentioned, because you go cry eh. Mmiri na-acha mmemme nwere ike ịpụta gị n'anya. You will not know, will not be flagged. I don't know the kind of words to use here that might flag me, so I don't really want to take chances, you understand? But please and please try your best. So that is all I say. Let me just come and say to you all, and thank you all Merry Christmas in advance. Enjoy your celebration.